Please listen and repeat. What stands out in the table is closer inspection of the table shows it is apparent from this table that very few the most interesting aspect of this graph is the differences between X and Y are highlighted in Table 4. As Table 3 shows, there is a significant difference between the two groups. The graph shows that there has been a slight fall in the number of divorces in England and Wales since 1981. Figure 2 reveals that there has been a marked decrease in the number of divorces in England and Wales since 1981. By the way, I believe some people say marked and some people say marked. Strange, right? What is striking in this table is the growth of what stands out in this chart is the high rate of what is interesting in this figure is the variability of what can be clearly seen in this table is the dominance of production of X peaked in 1985. X rose to a high point and peaked in the peak age for committing a crime is 18. The number of X's reached a peak during production of X reached a low point in 1990. The rate fell to a low point of $5 at the end of the year.